Workers have reached outside, no matter what the top
Workers and party workers have gathered here right outside the NCP office in Mumbai at Balad Estate. Let me show you the kind of color and music they bring with them. These are all the Warkari Sampradayas who have come to perform because they want Sharad Pawar to take back the resignation and should come. There is a sense of joy that the workers have because there is a buzz already that right now Sharad Pawar may be asked to take back his resignation. आज कह रहे हैं कि शरद पवार को बताएंगे कि रेजिग्नेशन वापस ले लीजिए. क्या कहना आपका?
पूरा महाराष्ट्र का वारकरी संप्रदाय जो है, जो कथा सुनाते हैं महाराष्ट्र को, वो सब पवार साहब के साथ में है. इसलिए कि पवार साहब जी का इस माहौल में पूरा महाराष्ट्र में जितने वारकरी है उसके ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा उपकार है पिछले कई दिनों से. ये लोग चाहते हैं कि पवार साहब ने इस्तीफा दे के बाजू में नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं तो हम ऐसे शहर में हो जाएंगे, हमारे को महाराष्ट्र में कोई वाली नहीं है, ऐसी पोजीशन आ जाएगी. इसके लिए महाराष्ट्र से काफी लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं और भी पीछे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, लेकिन भजन के माध्यम से, गीत के माध्यम से हम लोग शरद पवार जी को मना रहे हैं कि आप ये निर्णय पीछे लें.
My colleague Yesha Kotak is also joining us with all the latest developments. Very good morning to you, Yesha. We were just looking at a ground report by Vinaya about the sort of emotional appeals coming in from the NCP workers. So it looks like no matter what the top brass decides, and even if they come to a consensus on this, the NCP workers, the cadres, the workers on the ground are very adamant and very clear that Sharad Pawar must continue.
In fact, very well. What we've seen yesterday was Sharad Pawar himself had said that all these party workers who are protesting will not have to protest from tomorrow. They'll come to a middle ground. Now, this, in fact, has been the statement that has been made by Sharad Pawar. But now what needs to be seen is that the meeting that's being held at NCP office, what is the decision that's being taken there. I am right here outside Sharad Pawar's residence at Silver Oak. Like you can see, there's a light. And there were several party workers who come to meet Sharad Pawar, trying to convince him to take back his resignation today. However, there has not been too many people coming. But we also see that such a significant campaign they are addressing Praful Patel, whom they are addressing this letter to.
Yesha, I believe our colleague Vinaya Deshpande is also joining us. She is the one who brought us that ground report. Vinaya, that committee meeting, has it begun already? It was scheduled to start at 11 a.m.
Well, Shilpa, are you speaking with me?
Yes, indeed, Vinaya. Vinaya, that key committee meeting with 18 leaders who will be meeting, that top brass will be meeting, is that underway already? We know all the top leaders had arrived, so has it begun?
Yes, most of the top leaders have arrived right here at the NCP office, Shilpa. As I can show you, there are the scenes outside NCP office. These are all the party workers who have gathered from different parts of Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra in order to request Sharad Pawar. They've also brought with them some banners, hoardings, asking Sharad Pawar to take back his resignation. Even as all this drama unfolds right outside the NCP office, we are seeing that the key meeting of the top leaders is slated to begin any time now, as most of the leaders have already come. Leaders are trickling in. We saw even Jitendra Awad, who left for the meeting just a while ago. So right now that key meeting is underway. What we are being told is that the meeting will go on till 5 o'clock today. It's a day-long meeting that will take place. Several things will be discussed, and in that very meeting, after hours of deliberation, it is likely that a proposal will be put forth by Praful Patel saying that the committee refuses to accept the decision of Sharad Pawar, thereby asking Sharad Pawar to reconsider his decision. This will be like putting the ball back in Sharad Pawar's court, wherein he will have to decide then about what his next course of action will be. But remember that Sharad Pawar has already said that he will accept the decision of the committee and he will not overstep that decision. Even yesterday, he said that the sentiments of the party workers will be accepted. Let us try and understand what the sentiments of these party workers are. पहले तो शरद पवार ने कहा कि वो रेजिग्नेशन देंगे, सुप्रिया सुले का नाम चर्चा में आ रहा था, लेकिन अब वापस ऐसी अटकलें लगाई जा रही है कि शरद पवार ही अध्यक्ष रहेंगे।
देखिए, हम लोग साहब के कार्यकर्ता हैं। साहब ने हम लोगों से कभी या हमारे जो और लीडर्स हैं उनसे कभी साहब ने इसके बारे में हम लोगों को बात नहीं किया। हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि आज शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब को सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र की जरूरत नहीं है, बल्कि इस देश के नेतृत्व करने की जरूरत है। आज देश की जो हालात है, उस हालात के अंदर अगर शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब ने रिजाइन दे दिया तो मैं ये बड़ी जिम्मेदारी के साथ कहना चाहता हूँ, जो 1 तारीख को 1 मई को जो बीकेसी ग्राउंड के अंदर 1.5 लाख का क्राउड था, उस 1.5 लाख के क्राउड के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं जो सत्ताधारी पार्टियां हैं उनको ये समझ में आ गया कि 2024 के अंदर महाविकास आघाड़ी ये सरकार बनाएगी। और आज साहब से हम तमाम कार्यकर्ता हाथ जोड़ के साहब से ये अपील करते हैं, साहब आपका रिजाइन आप रिटर्न ले लो। साहब आपको इस महाराष्ट्र को और हम सब कार्यकर्ताओं को साहब आपकी जरूरत है, इस देश की नेतृत्व करने की जरूरत है। अगर साहब ने ऐसा नहीं किया तो हम सब कार्यकर्ताओं की मनोबल टूट जाएगा। और आज महाराष्ट्र के एक एक कोने से आवाज आ रही है कि महाराष्ट्र की एक ही आवाज शरद पवार, महाराष्ट्र की एक ही आवाज।
We are also seeing that the meeting has already begun. What is the agenda for the last 2 days? There have been several speculations. Supriya Tai's name has been doing rounds. Praful Patel's name has been doing rounds. Now what we are coming to understand is that there will be a proposal in that committee which will say that we reject the resignation given by Sharad Pawar. What exactly is going to happen?
We are confident that the leaders who are in the committee will reject Adarniya Sahab's resignation and Mr. Sharad Chandraji Pawar Sahab will continue to be the national president of NCP.
Anand Parazpe, you have yourself been at the forefront of this whole agitation. In fact, it was Thane district which started this whole agitation with mass resignations. How do you see it panning out?
Thane district under leadership of Dr. Jitendra Awad has been continuously with Sharad Pawar Sahib and we stand by him, and in any case we are confident that his resignation will be not accepted by the leaders in the meeting.
What do you think will be the implications not just for the Mahavikas Aghadi, the Vajramot rallies, but also for the national opposition?
In a national context, Mr. Sharad Pawar has a great role to play in bringing together all the opposition parties together on board against the BJP for 2024 Lok Sabha elections, and hence his presence in the national perspective is very, very important.
So that was Anand Parazpe, a senior leader of the NCP from Thane, which spearheaded that whole agitation. Shilpa, let me show you here. It's a melee of agitations. People are singing, dancing, they are protesting, they are also playing music. This is the whole Varkari Sampradaya that has come from different parts of Maharashtra in order to perform and in order to tell Sharad Pawar that he should not be resigning. So these are the Varkaris who have come and who are now performing. Let us also try and understand the sentiment from them about what they think. कहाँ से आए हो आप और क्यों आए हो?
आळंदी से आए, हम वारकरी है। साहेब शरद पवार साहेब साठी आलो रे, आ रहा है इधर।
क्या कहना है आपका? शरद पवार को क्या मैसेज है?
माघर लेने के लिए ना ऐसे आए हमें भजन के लिए, हम आलंदी से इधर से आए।
आनंद से आया है। क्या बोलेंगे आप? शरद पवार को क्या कहेंगे?
क्या बोलेंगे? और जो मांगे है वही पूरा करो बस।
मांगे हाँ आना चाहिए हम लोग को। वारकरी संप्रदाय का हो, बहुत बहुत बोलेगा तो अच्छा आदमी है, बहुत बोलेगा तो साहेब सबको लिए बोलता है, सबको लिए साहब मांगता ही है, साहब का मांगता ही है।
So Sharad Pawar should be